Nasa bucket list ko talaga to because I've tried coming here around 8 years ago. Pero hanggang level 5 na ako dahil hindi ko kinaya. Kaya bumalik ako ngayon. To try it again kasi hanggang level 8 to eh. Susubukan ko kung kaya ko.
Bingo!
Na maakyat ang 8 levels of Aguinid.
After 8 years, I'm back in Aguinid Waterfalls. Now I am 62 years old. I am going to climb this rock, still reaching the top. Let's see kung kayano ni Maming Talagkosera. Okay? Join me. Never limit yourself, but be very cautious and safe. Off.
Dito, I remember, I was with my nieces, si Dayan at si Julie. Gumagamit pa kami ng rope, no, ng PC para akyatin to. This is in level number 3. But this time, I was so shocked na wala na di ay yung PC. I need to climb here using barely my hands. Good thing na may guide ako si Edwin, no? I have 2 guides, by the way. Mas mahirap karon kay kusog kayong tubig, abundant kayong tubig pagkalisod, but there is no way to go back. Sobrang hadlok. Takot talaga ako, but I need to contain my fear and check very well, no? My balance. Kailangan talaga yung gamitan mo ng utak, ha? At saka determinasyon. Of course, prayer helps a lot. Na dapat, I was eyeing on the prize to be able to achieve it. Wala na kasing PC eh. Unlike before na may PC pa ni Derin, wala na di ay. But taking it slow, listening to my guide, no? You need to listen to your guide. Kung anong instruction niya, kung saan mo ilalagay yung paa mo. And di naman siyang sliding. So, after the 3rd level, ito na. Kunting lakad. And enjoying the view, i-relax muna sandali. Relax, slowly, but you better watch the steps, no? Baka madulas ka, although di naman masyadong madulas to. May mga maililiit lang na mga bato. And look at that amazing view. Remember, we're going to the 4th level na ngayon. Aakyat na tayo papuntang 4th level dito sa Aguinid Waterfalls. Taking time, breathing properly, inhale, exhale, and simply enjoying the view, the gush of cascading water. Ito, isa sa pinakamahirap, the 4th level. Oh. Just look at it, no? Ang hirap. Ang lakas ng agos ng tubig, the cascading water. And kailangan balance. And remember, I'm already 62. Hindi ko na ito napuntahan. Hindi ko na. This time, I have no choice. Ayan na, sumisigaw pa ako sa takot. See how hard it was? At 62 years old, bahala na kung mawala ang force, ha? Kailangan Kailangan akyatin because I was really eyeing on the prize. And the prize. Ito, level 6. On our way to level 6.
Jump, Wayne! Tarong nga, Wayne, ha? Mahulog, Wayne!
Pero sulit naman, tingnan nyo naman, no? Napakaganda ng view. This is still in level 6. Ayan. Kailangan mong languyin yan, ha? Languyin para makaakyat ka doon sa taas. This is going to level 7. Langoy din ka, wala na kailangan kaagian, wala ka nang ibang madadaan. May rope na yan, yan ang isa sa 7 na, 7 na. Pagkatapos kung languyin yun, doon, naglangoy, no? Aakyatin mo yan, using a rope na kasi mataas na, napakataas na yan. Ayan, no? I need to climb that one. Yan. Listening very well to my guide. Kaya lang kusog kayo ang tubig. Maumong ko din buwan nga daghang abunda kayong tubig. No? I have to listen very well to my guide. I will be using a rope. Paakyat. Mataas na ha. Panahon na mo sa video nga mubo pero taas kayo na. Wala na kayo laing kaagian. Oh, kita ka na. That's I'm going to do. Gitagaan ko pag-ayot instruction ng guide. Kay wala na. Ang guide naala sa taas. Kaya wala naman lain siya kang agian. Mag-watch na sa taas ako That's what I'm doing. Kaptan ako niya. Kaptanin ko niya. Kay sakit ng tuhod na ko. Gakurog ng tuhod na ko. Sa katugnaw. Sa kakapoy. I'm getting exhausted here. Ayan ha. Kaptan ako niya. Langoy na sadta. Langoy na sadta to. Padong na ni sa level 8. Ganak tayo. Hapit na yun ta. But believe me, it's worth. This is the level 8. Ang pinaka-challenging na part. Dira actually mo naghila ko na ko. Smile mo sa camera. Smile mo sa camera. This is the hardest part to climb. Hardest? You know why? Di kapoy naman ko. Oh, kita ka na. This is the hardest. I need my 2 guides na this time. I was requesting that I need to have my 2 guides with me. Na alalaya na ko kaya pinakataas na ni siya. More siya wall. Wall, this one. Ano? That is the hardest. Tanawa ko, ang camera dibilin, di-position na lang nila ang camera para ma-document tanan. Because I was requesting na I need to have the 2 guides with me para kaptan din ko. Kay hadlok naman ko. This was the last part of the climb. Going to the level 8. Nga dire, na ano na disgrasya ko, ang katong Koreano na namatay, that was 12 years ago. But it's safe, ha? It is really safe. But then, simply 62 years old, exhausted, ayan, ha? Duha na din ang gabantay sa ako, ha? Kaya di naman kumukumpiyansa. Duha na silang nakapot sa ako. You really need to, if you will come here, you need to have guide, no? A male guide. Kaya may female guide. In my case, may dagda, 62, tapos at pagod ko, I requested for two experienced male guide na bagpo, giglawas. Ano yung pinakalisod niya? Tanawon ni mo, murag mubok na siya, but it is high. Taas niya. Maunang pinakakusga na agas ng tubig. Maunang pinakakusog yun na agas ng tubig. But wala na tayo kaagian eh. And I was kapoy pero I was so excited kaya kibalo ko nga this will be my last climb. Kinaya na ako. I was praying so hard that I need to achieve this. I need because I am for the challenge. I took the challenge. I was eyeing on the prize. I was trusting my guide and finally hapit na yun. Look at that one. Hapit few steps and my feet was aching, my knees are trembling. Now, I was palpitating. I need to breathe properly. Breathing exercise. Main na lang ganit. Everyday ko mag-exercise. Everyday ko magdagan. So the stamina is there. The leg, for the grasp is there. Ang legs na po is sturdy. Kaya kada adlaw mag-exercise. And I really had a good guide here. Oh, finally! There! Finally! Nakaabot na din ko sa level 8. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you. Finally. And when you reach the top, sa level 8, napa na. Nibalik ako sa akong kang guide. There, nibalik siya. Kaya ang camera ba na bilin? Listen to what he was saying, ha? Listen very.
Sir, hindi pa to survive. Level 6, may ito. Level 7, level... Come on! Aginid Waterfalls, Tangbo, Sambuan, Cebu.
This is in the level 8, di ba?
Mga kalakwat,
Paradise.
sir, I could not believe na nabuhat din ako. The last time I was here was 10 years ago. I was 52 years old. Dito rami to kutob sa level 5. Karon, 62 years old. Nabuhat din ako with a very able guide. Kung wala pa ang duha na ako ka-guide cam, join sa ko na-accomplish na ako ang up to level 8. Ipaila-ila na itong pangalan.
Erwin Briones. Ako ang guide sa Aguinid Waterfalls, Tangbo, Sambuan.
Oh, katong usa na ito kauban.
Michael Rokamura.
That's Michael Rokamura.
Yes.
This is my advice. Labi na sa mga ka-contemporary na ako nga senior citizen. You take the challenge. Kaya na ninyo basta na may mga guide. But you have to be very fit. Kaya kung dili mo fit, na ko'y nakitaan ganiha, nag-back out. Pag dili mo sigurado, dili mo determinado, don't do it. Pero kung sa tanaw ninyo kaya mo niya, naamoy training, ako I run every day eh. Plus the able guide na mo suporta sa inyo ha. Pag abot ninyo sa ikawalo level accomplishment yun na sa imuha nga. After this, murag dili na ka mahadlok. Na-survive nimo. And that is a big accomplishment. Sa mga bata, kaning mga taas kayo ego o pride. So wayin ninyo para ma-humble mo. Okay? Thank you. Don't forget to share this video.
Yes.
And spread the good news. If you want an adrenaline rush to challenge your core, your stamina, your health, your fortitude, and will, diri mo sa Aguinid Waterfalls. Yan. So inahanglan ang guide kay Santo Contakon.
Erwin Briones and Michael Rokamura.
Thank you. Ang mag-visit mo sa Aguinid Waterfalls, this is the best time of the year to visit kay grabe good ang abundant supply ng tubig. It is one rush of water na would really entice you. It will really challenge your core, especially those mga adrenaline junkies. Karon, this is the right time of the year na mag-visit mo sa Aguinid Falls. Sir, tagaan ka na akong oportunidad na imbitawarin ako mga viewers na magbisita direct na give me the exact location.
Okay, to all the viewers,
Mamita na po
siya. Pwede na kamo mo ari sa Aguinid Waterfalls kaya ibalik na ang manindot na tubig ug kusog na tubig diri sa Aguinid Waterfalls and located Barangay Tanggo, Sambuan, Cebu.
Barangay Tanggo, Sambuan, Cebu. Nakapay Facebook, dahil? Aguinid Waterfalls, visit dito. Pwede sila ka-pre-book no? For reservation. So, imbitahan mo na ako. Never fear. Conquer the unknown. Kaya once you were able to achieve it, you will be a changed man once you have succeeded the 8th level of waterfalls. Aguinid Waterfalls, a paradise, a magical, majestic waterfalls. There is a municipality of Sambuan. Don't forget to share this video. Spread the good news that this majestic falls is located in the municipality of Sambuan, province of Cebu. Thank you.